Okay, so I'm doing an experiment with my Fidget Cube. So I got this cup here, Kool-Aid cup, and I'm actually freezing the Fidget Cube. See it in there? It's all iced up. I don't know, I've never done this before. Let's see what the results are. Alright, let me warm it up. I have to warm it up with cold water. And just get a good view. There you go. Now let's see. I have to get it on really cold. Hot. How do we... It's not hot yet. Is it hot? We're gonna break this open. We just have to. Oh, here comes the hotness. See it? Still frozen. It's really hot. Should be coming out now. There it is. Wow, there it is. Look at that. There is the Rubik's Cube in the ice. Isn't that cool? Ugh. It's all frozen. Alright, let's unfreeze and see how it is. Getting smaller. Alright, here it is. Now it's unfrozen. It's kind of hard to move the joystick. This is frozen. The gears are frozen. The balls is not frozen. All the buttons are frozen. I can't even push them. Is this frozen? Nope, this is not frozen. So yeah. Let me try to warm it up a little more so I can get the buttons and everything moving. Alright, the buttons are kind of moving now. So yeah, that's a Rubik's Cube in ice.